Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you like this channel, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates and never miss any update. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will discuss about YouTube video thumbnail and impression. From this discussion you will know how many people are already viewed your video thumbnail, percent of people clicked on your video after seeing your thumbnail, total watch time from impressions, individual video based watch time from impressions. So if you want to learn how to check all these features of YouTube, then please stay with me. So first you have to know what is an impression. An impression data shows how many times your video thumbnails are shown on YouTube. As you can see in the first paragraph, Google clearly specified that impression data shows how many times your video thumbnails are shown on YouTube. Okay, so to learn about impression, first I need to visit YouTube and I will show you what is an impression on YouTube. So let's go with me. I am opening my YouTube application from here. Okay, now I am on the YouTube application now and I am on the trending tab. As you can see right now there are two thumbnails are displaying in front of me. These two videos are just from two channel owners, so both channel owners will receive two video impression from my visit. So everyone will receive one video impression from me because their video thumbnail just appeared in front of me and I watched their video thumbnail for more than 1 second, but I didn't click. So actually it doesn't matter if I click on the video or not, so impression will be counted if I watch the video thumbnail for more than 1 second. So this is YouTube stated in their documentation that if someone just visit your video thumbnail for more than 1 second, then one impression will be counted successfully. Okay, so if I scroll down the page more and see more thumbnails from various YouTube channel creators, then more impressions will be counted and these impressions will be properly calculated by YouTube. And okay, I hope you already know what is an impression, and let's go. I will show you how to check all impression data from your analytics tab from YouTube, and I will show you step by step, so just follow me. Okay, open your browser from your device and make sure that you enable desktop site option from here. Once the page is loaded, simply click on the left sidebar and find analytics option from there and click on analytics. It will take some time to load, so wait for the loading. Okay, it's loaded, and click on reach viewers from the top. Okay, just look at the first option, which is called impressions, and look at there are 9.5k impressions that I received within the last 28 days for my uploaded videos. So check from your impressions count from there, and also look at the impressions click-through rate, which is 4.3%, 368, and the views is 542. So I will show you something more from here. Here's the main section that actually I wanted to show you, impressions and how they lead to watch time. So from here you can see all impressions that you received within 28 days. As you can see, the date available June 1 to 28 2019 within 28 days, and 9.2% from YouTube recommending your content, and 4.33% click-through rate, and views from impressions 414, and the average view duration is 1 minute and 40 seconds, and the watch time I received from impressions 695. So in this way you can check your impressions, click-through rate, your average view duration from impressions, and the watch time from impressions that you received from your uploaded videos on YouTube. So I hope you will find this information very useful. So just don't worry about your video impressions, and don't worry about your viewers, and don't worry about subscriptions. Just post regularly videos on YouTube, but post only quality videos based on the YouTube policy and community guidelines. So one day your channel will be ranked and people will like your videos and subscribe your channel. So I hope you will find this information very useful. If it's useful and if someone needs this type of tutorial, please share this tutorial others so other people can learn from this video. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any query regarding this video, if you want to know something about this official impressions or average view duration or watch time from impression, please comment on below. I will try to answer from my knowledge, and as soon as I can I will reply. So thank you so much and have a great day.